Hi guys, this is Saurabh. In this video, we will learn how to create Ganesha Aarti app in MIT App Inventor. So here we see the example first. So here you can see that's our app here, right? So whenever someone click on this play button and Aarti will start. Right? Now click on this pause button. You can click on again play button to resume this Aarti. Right? Just pause it. Click on play and just click on stop. Then when you click on play again, this will start from beginning. Fine. Now, whenever you click on lyrics button, this will display the lyrics of Aarti. Like this, you can see the lyrics and you can play your song also. Right? Pause it. Now, whenever you click on back button, you will redirect to this home page. So that's very simple and very useful app. Let's see how we can create this app. So here we go. So we need to click on start new project and we are using here MIT App Inventor to create this app. So Ganesha 3, that's my app name. So you can see that's my screen here. Now I need to drag and drop here layouts. Okay. So I'm going to drag and drop one vertical scroll arrangement layout. That one, right? And then we have to drag and drop one more. That one is vertical arrangement. Okay, and make this fill parent and make this height should be fill parent and drag and drop this vertical scroll arrangement into this like this, right? And make this vertical scroll arrangement should be also fill parent and make this with this fill parent. Now here we need one horizontal arrangement. Drag and drop this arrangement here like this under the vertical arrangement and make this one also fill parent. Right? Now we need to drag and drop 3 buttons here, and first one is for play, second one is for pause, second one for stop, and I'm going to make one more button for the lyrics. Now let's click on image and drag and drop this image here and make this one with this fill parent and make this height as fill parent. Now click on the image picture option, click on upload file, click on choose file. And I'm going to use here this one image, Ganesha one image. Click on open, then OK. Fine, that's our image here. Now click on vertical scroll arrangement and make this background color is something black. Here you can see this one black. Right. Now we need to drag and drop here player option. In the left side you will find media. Just click on it and then we have to drag and drop player like this. Now you have to download prayer of Ganesha. So I already have that one file, mp3 file. I will give you the link of this file also. Okay, click on upload file, click on choose file, and here you can see that one is mp3 file, right? Click on OK, then again OK. This will take some seconds to upload file. Now completed, right? Now we need to change all these buttons, right? Click on button 1 and change it to text should be play. Okay, and we will do one thing that I'm going to delete this 2 and 3 buttons. Okay, wait some seconds, 3 and this one also. And then click on this play button, change this font size to at least 16. Make it font bold, click on background color or change this background color to orange, and now click on this and Control C then Control V like this, right? Now click on button 2 and change this text should be like you can pause, then click on again and then make it stop. Okay, then click on another button and make this one lyrics. Right, now we need to click on horizontal arrangement and make this stop to center and align horizontal should be center like this, and change this background color to black like this. Okay, now we need to go to the block section here, click on block, and whenever someone click on this button 1, it means in the play button, then we have to play our song. So click on this player button and click on call.player.start. Right. Now then whenever someone click on button 2, just copy and paste this one 4 times, okay, and we will change the button name here. When someone click on button 2, then we have to make it pause. So click on player and you will see here pause option. And whenever someone click on button 3, so we will make it the stop, right? So you will see here stop like this. And whenever someone click on the another button, it means button 4, so we have to change this image, and we will use here lyrics option. So what we will do, click on this image here and make it visible off. Drag and drop here one label, click on user interface and drag and drop here one label like this, and make this font size at least 18. Okay, and make sure this should be checked, HTML format, just check it. Then click on width and make it fill parent. Now that one is your text. We have to paste our Aarti here, right? It means lyrics. So you can paste this one lyrics, but this will not look good. So what I will do, I'm going to make here one HTML file and upload this HTML file. There is one option, and second option is you can upload HTML code also. I already have that one code. I will give you the code of this HTML file. Okay, and wait some second, and here you can see that's my HTML code of Aarti, right? So you can design your HTML this one Aarti, and I will give you the code, this file. Okay, just copy this content, just copy it. Okay, and then go to the label and paste this code here, right? And change this text color to white. And here you can see there are a lot of things, like you can see here p tag, here some tags also. So you don't need to worry, this all tags will hide because you have checked that one option, HTML format, like this, right? And now I'm going to make this one visible off, right? And make this one image should be visible on, right? Now let's go to the block section, and whenever someone click on this button, so we have to set image visible should be, make it visible, right? This one should be false, and make this label should be on. Set image label should be true, right? Now go to the design and let's see how it's work. Here you can see that's our app here. Now I'm going to click on this play button. You can see RTL start. You can click on play to resume it. Okay, and you can click on stop button. Then whenever you click on play, this will start again from the beginning, right? Now click on this lyrics button, and here you can see lyrics, Sri Ganesha Aarti lyrics in English with translation, right? Like this. Now you can scroll this also like this, right? Now we have to make here one back button, right? Now how we can do this, you can click on play button and you can play your Aarti, and you can see the lyrics also. You can do both things at the same time. Now go to the again, and here we need one back button, right? Copy and paste this button and just type here back, and this will button, whenever someone click on this back button, it means button 5. Okay, then what we will do, we have to make image 1 visible should be true and label 1 should be false, like this. Okay, let's go and let's see. Right, fine. If I just click on now back button, nothing will happen, right? Now whenever I click on lyrics button, here you can see the lyrics, and whenever I click on back button, this will look like this, right? So that's very easy way to create Ganesha Aarti app. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have some doubt, you can ask me on comment, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video. Have a nice day, be safe, bye bye.